There was a time not so long ago when electric car batteries felt like a gamble, hot packs, alarming headlines, and a whole lot of doubt. Today, those lithium packs have grown up, wrapped in cooling systems, watched by sensors, guided by software that never sleeps, quietly keeping everything in check. Now, engineers are shaping a new chapter, solid-state batteries that trade most of the flammable liquid for solid materials, reaching for longer range and a calmer kind of safety. And just over the horizon, sodium-ion batteries step in for the everyday city car, built from abundant materials that stay composed under pressure. Step by step, EV batteries are moving from will it burn to how far, how fast, how safe. The road ahead looks cooler, cleaner, and a lot more confident. Subscribe for more content like this.